In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we are almost to the point that we're ready to go to retro fire. And we are going to do that with the switch called separation adapter switch. Then when you click on it, it takes you to the separate adapter switch telelight. And you can see here that cues the crew to jettison the adapter equipment section. So that's the back part. Pressing the selector indicator causes the adapter shaped charge and tubing cutter pyrotechnics to be detonated. So you're blowing things apart at this point. And the adapter section is severed. Separation of the adapter section is sensed by the equipment adapter section sensors. Two closed sensors energize the sensor relay and charge the indicator from amber to green. So this goes from amber to green. And if we look at it in general, we're here in the system description for the sequence system for the spacecraft. And we're getting down to the last part. So here is the 256 or 4-minute and 16-second retrograde switch. Now we're back here, the 30 seconds before, and that's where they armed the circuits to make the charges be armed, and then initial retrograde automatically, and then the crew is there for redundant. But we're at the last step right here to prepare to retrograde. What we are looking at is the separation adapter switch, which goes to amber to green. It's right here. And what we're doing, we're actually blowing this part of the spacecraft away from the capsule. So we are using explosive devices to cut things and separate that going into the retro fire. So that is the last step. And then we start going into the retrograde, where they start coming in to land on the Earth. So if you are part of our Patreon subscriber, even our free Patreon subscribers, we're now going to go into the schematics to show you how all of this happens. And if you are not, now is a great time to join us. Remember, it is free to join the basic. And once you join the basic, then you can look into the schematics. So when you are a Patreon member and click on schematics,